Hey there, English learners. What if I told you that mastering everyday conversations is easier than you think? Today, we're diving into the most common questions and answers you'll hear every single day. By the end of this video, you'll be chatting like a native speaker. Let's start with the basics. When someone asks, "How are you?" the simple answer is, "I'm fine, thank you." It's polite and friendly. Now, let's meet Sarah, our example speaker today. When people ask about her name, she says, "My name is Sarah." Easy, right? She's 28 years old and from Canada. See how natural that sounds? Here's something interesting about Sarah. She's a doctor, not married, and lives in Toronto. When people ask if she's happy, she always says, "Yes, I am." That positive energy really comes through. Let's talk about physical descriptions. Sarah isn't very tall. She says, "No, I'm short." And sometimes she feels a little tired, but she's rarely hungry during our conversations. Communication is key in any language. Sarah speaks both English and French. She has a passport and is proud to be Canadian. Most importantly, she's usually at home when we chat with her. Daily routines are fascinating. Sarah tells us today is Tuesday and it's rainy outside. She has one sister and her dad's name is Michael. Her mom works as an accountant. Family is everything to Sarah. She lives with them and has 3 grandparents she adores. Sarah visits her family every Sunday and loves them deeply. Her parents are incredibly kind people. She has lots of friends too, especially her best friend Emma, who lives just down the street. Weekend plans? Sarah goes out with friends on Fridays. She doesn't call her friends daily, but stays in touch regularly. Some of her friends speak English, others speak French. She loves meeting new people and comes from a big, loving family. Family support matters. Sarah helps her parents with household tasks. Her siblings attend university. She has several cousins and considers family the most important thing in her life. Let's follow Sarah's daily routine. Every morning, she brushes her teeth and takes a shower. For breakfast, she enjoys toast and scrambled eggs. She drinks coffee, lots of it. She takes the subway to work. Work life is structured. Sarah starts work at 8:30 a.m. and finishes at 4:30 p.m. She doesn't eat lunch at home. Instead, she eats at the hospital cafeteria. After work, she relaxes and watches her favorite shows. Evening routines are important. Sarah cooks dinner most nights. She takes a shower before bed and usually sleeps by 11 p.m. Weekends are for house cleaning, and she wakes up at 9 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Sarah doesn't work weekends. She goes to the fitness center 3 times a week. Sundays are for relaxation and family visits. She goes grocery shopping on Saturdays and always checks her phone first thing in the morning. Music is part of Sarah's daily life. She listens to it constantly. Health-wise, she feels great and isn't sick today. As a doctor, she obviously sees healthcare providers when needed and takes medication when necessary. Sarah sleeps well, about 7 hours nightly. She lives in a big city and loves it there. Her favorite spot is the local coffee shop. She visits the library occasionally and goes to the bank to withdraw money. Transportation varies for Sarah. She takes the subway to work but doesn't own a car. Sometimes she walks to nearby places. She rarely takes the train 'cause the subway works better. Skills and abilities matter. Sarah can swim very well and rides a bicycle expertly. Her English is excellent and she's an amazing cook. However, she can't sing, and she's honest about it. Preferences shape our personalities. Sarah loves animals and enjoys reading novels. She doesn't like extremely cold weather but enjoys going to educational seminars. She loves her job as a doctor. Home life is cozy. Sarah lives in a condo with 5 rooms. It's medium-sized, not too big or small. She has a modern kitchen but no balcony garden. She cleans her room daily and watches television in the evenings. Family meals are special. Sarah eats dinner with her family regularly. She has a dog at home and absolutely loves her living situation. She uses her smartphone constantly and goes to bed early. Weather affects mood. Today it's quite cold and Sarah enjoys snowy days. Her favorite season? She loves autumn the most. And there you have it. These everyday conversations will help you sound natural and confident in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily life. If this video helped you improve your English conversation skills, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to English Stories with Alex for more helpful content like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Let's build a community of confident English speakers together. What's your favorite conversation starter? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning with English Stories with Alex.